Make this dripping effect in Canva. Go to canva.com. Select any existing project or a new project with any size. Go to Elements and search for the dripping. Select this. Add a shape. Change it to any color. Change the layer to the back. Change the dripping color to white. Download it. Take a new page. Upload your photo. Remove the background. Change the background to any color. Upload the dripping image you downloaded before. Remove the background. Go to Edit and then Duotone. Then select Custom. Pick both colors like background. Now adjust and download. Thanks for watching.